my thing going on. I'm going for the people in work, you see me? Go and work for somebody till I can work for myself. No. I want to tell you no. Whoever don't subscribe to the thing yet, don't wait till the train full up, jump on the thing. Go YouTube right now after that video and type in Morris. That's MORRIS TIMECOOKING. And I don't just cook Jamaican dishes. I do everything for it. I teach you how to handle knife, like how to grocery shop. But more things to come in the future. You know what I say? Basically, I just share my experience through cooking. So whatever I know, I'm perfect thing in the kitchen. I share that with everybody who are willing to learn. And the reason I'm start this YouTube page is because everybody over the years, from I go to high school till now, the man is say, yo, make a recipe, So I say, I can't get to everybody like that. And you who know me closely know say, yo, I'm a man of my words. So I tell you, I'm going to do a thing, I'm going to do it. I'm going to love to tell people, say, I'm going to do something, I can't do. So I say, you know what? Feel bad, everybody asking for a recipe, I can't help them out. So I'm going to do. I had the Facebook, the YouTube idea in my head, but it was just an idea at the time. I left it over in 2014. Now, this year of January, I decided, say, you know what? I deal with the YouTube page, and we start the thing since January, and the goal was to have 1,000 subscribers by now in December. Well, gotta work, you know what I say? We're at 800 and growing. 800, out of that 800, I can tell you, say, I just literally about 30 people I know. You feel me? I say out of that 800. So you look away, sticky. I have 800 Facebook friends, and I probably have 30 of my Facebook friends subscribe to my thing. But we not fight, we just give the thing time, because after that time, we're not going to see the work and manifest itself. I'm just hope so to join me on board. You know what I say? But 800 and counting, and with the grace of God, we are going to reach 1,000 subscribers before December. Even though we said December the mark, so you have to set goals and work on them. It's not easy doing YouTube. We're doing that every day with your money. So first of all, if anybody watch a video want to start a YouTube page, the best advice I have for you is before you start the page, ensure that whichever thing you are going to deal with on YouTube, you are fully interested and committed. Not motivated, but committed. Because when you're motivated, you can become demotivated, and that will hinder you from put out the work as how it should. You feel me I say? When you're committed to the thing now, you not broke that promise, say you're going to committed and you're going to be driven. And as I say, don't be just motivated, be driven. Because when you're driven, you're going to get the thing done. You're motivated, motivation come and go, But when you're driven, it's just like a go. Now make sure it's something you love. You feel me I say? If it's not something that you love, you're going to just give up on it real quick. Because you're going to say, yo, one, most people jump in on YouTube for the money. If in everything you do, especially if you want that, you look a livelihood from it, people are going to say, oh, I not did it for the money. Part of it, of course, you're going to want the money if there is money to be gained. But don't make that be the primary reason. My primary reason is to just make my work known. And most importantly, I have a child now. And I still have children in the future. And I don't want nobody to come and say, yo, your father could have cooked, or your father couldn't this or whatever the case may be. So you know what I tell myself? Now I'm going to put my work out there, so my youth them can see what me do and be inspired by that. You feel me? And do even better than me. So I'm not going to just say, yo, I could have cooked this, When Jamir and Marissa mirrors them to come, jump on my thing, not just YouTube, but a whole heap of thing in the pipeline where nowadays I stop talking what I go do and just do the do. You know what I say? I just do the thing and stop talking about it. When I talk about it, people steal the idea. That's the next thing. Do not talk about it. One, people steal the idea and try to accomplish your goals before you. Two, then try to put you down and say that sound too big, you cannot achieve that nonsense. Yeah, it may sound big, but how are you going to achieve it? You have to start small. I mean, believe in that. You know what I say? I take you back to 2012 when I just left college and go to hotel go work. Everybody I say, yo, leave the hotel because the money not did this for you and go back to Manchester, you know? And I say, yo, yeah, the money not did it for me. Mommy have to help me pay half of my rent. The thing this sticky. Even at that time, mommy I say, yo, come on because you look bad when they are watching. Don't let it life rough by me. So mommy I want him. I don't say anything of the money or the experience. And that's the more advice whoever watch a thing and don't say, yo, don't run down the money. You hear people say that time and time again, but that's true. Don't run down the money. You see, if you have the help, if you go straight in a college after high school and finish up the school and do that, don't watch your friend them where earn this money and that money, because when they get the education seal, trust me, the money I go forward because people are going to pay for what you're worth. Right now, I don't cater for work only for money. I tell my lady I say, yo, I don't care if you work only for money. I just want to make enough money so that the rent can pay you, Jamir, my mother, my brother them, and my nephew them good. I can help out them. You know what I say? I don't care about buying no shoes, no only for clothes, going out, nothing like that. I just want the experience. That's why I'm well experienced. A man have to go pay for that thing. But when I go out there, right now I can't go out there and set a big price over me and say that more. If you don't work there, man, I go pay that. But when you take the time out, just work the small amount of money. Right now, as I say, I work the small amount of money just to get by. I don't really care about the fancy living right now. I just want to know some rent that pay and I not get kicked out. And my family not hungry. See? Once you get that out of the way, then I guarantee you, so you go some boom now, you start work on your craft, because that's what I'm doing. If you don't make the YouTube, I still learn at work. When I do work, I find out say when I got a new job, go work at them, enough chew on the heap of work for me, but I laugh after them. And then they say, then go say, yo, that boy is soft, my push over. But I'm glad, give me the workload, because I learn. When you not show it for me, I feel say, oh, when I do me wrong, when I do me good. Because I say, I learn, you know what I say? So, build yourself first, and then the money will follow after. Believe me, don't focus on the money first. Because at the end, you're not going to make enough money because it's just money you have free. But when you just free, if you build yourself in whatever career field you're in, guarantee you the money will forward after. But as I say, jump over on the YouTube page, give it thing a support. Me not pressure nobody. I just implore you say, yo, I do everything over there basically, and a lot of things not forward yet. And for those who just are joining, I upload on my YouTube page. That's Morris Time Cooking, MorrisTimecooking. Morris Time Cooking. I'm the only person names up on YouTube. You cannot miss it. You see me? I'm about 45 videos in. I'm start January gone. 800 odd subscribers. Only 30 you can identify by my Facebook friends. I may have 800 odd Facebook friends. So imagine if everybody go over there. 1,600 and add that more have. So big up on yourselves, eh? As I say, when I go see the work I put in, the goal was to have 1,000 subscribers by now in December. And grace I got the thing I come true by now and next year, December. The goal is to have 10,000 subscribers. And as I say, enough people are going to beat it and say, yo, that sound too big, you cannot achieve it. You can. You have to take baby steps. You know what I say? People, as I said, don't share your ideas with people, because sometimes they will discourage you, saying it is too big of a dream to accomplish. But you know you can accomplish it because of your capabilities and your determination. And again, people will thief your idea and try to accomplish it before you. So keep things to yourself more while. You know what I say? Make them say, yo, man, no, tell me nothing. Woman, not yo, my girl, no, tell me nothing again, my youth, no. No. Because people will discourage you and try to accomplish a thing them before you. You feel me? I say so. Do the work in silence and then it will manifest itself. You know what I say? So big up everybody who log in. Give thanks to the viewings. They are on my way I got work. Jack carry me safely. I may have one more song to bring out the video because maybe about 20 minutes from work, but no man for bless up my people them though. Yeah, that song, yeah. Popcorn and Dre Island. One of the biggest tune right now, in my opinion. But me see, have a longevity on it. So listen to that tune, yeah. Go and big up on yourself. Full of Mary vibe. Guidance to all. Listen to that Dre Island, yeah. Featuring Popcorn. Up move, man. You feel a joke talk. I love that song to my heart. You know what they used to call me? In a real life, you know what they used to call me? Tazzy and Pauline Black Boy. Yeah? In a very derogatory way. Them time they never know nothing about racism, because we face a Jamaican half, but we have prejudiced people there. And you know me used to get a little problem here and there. But me is a young youth, why you gonna put me down? But me use them very same words that they use for me and motivate me thing. Yeah man, when you see me, if you don't remember my name, call me Tazzy and Pauline Black Boy. My parents them are black. And me is a boy. Now a man, me proud of it. Big up on yourself. And me don't forget them very well. I remember the exact processes. When me see that, when me see her, I just smile. Yeah man, Tazzy and Pauline Black Boy in the building. You know what I say? Big up everybody. Big up everybody for logging. We still have 2 viewers. You know the thing go. Now me have 1. Me still rich because somebody I watch out the thing though. Big up on yourself, you know. Almost I reach at work. When I want to do the little data, I have to save up. You know what I say? Big up on yourself. Thanks for logging in. Keep the faith. Until next time. Safe travel on the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
You have to work